Our textbook derived this formula for surface area. So what we need in the formula is the derivative of f of x. So we can find the derivative of y. Remember, this is x to the negative second power. So the derivative is going to be negative 2 over x to the third power. Because if you have x to the negative second power, the 2 comes down and multiplies, and then it gets reduced by 1. And x to the negative third is the same as 1 over x to the third. There's our derivative. To find the surface area, we want to integrate from 1 to 6, it says, on the x-axis. And then it's 2 pi, we can just move to the outside, times our original function, f of x, multiplied by 1 plus our derivative squared. So that's going to be 4 over x to the 6 dx. Okay, I think we need to do some algebra. I don't see a good u substitution right off the bat. Let me think about what we could do. Let's see. Inside, we could factor out 1 over x to the 6. That way we wouldn't have x to the 6 in the denominator. That's going to make x to the 6 plus 4. You can double check my algebra there. If we distribute that 1 over x to the 6, it should make what we had up above. And now we could take that out of the square root. That's the square root of 1 over x to the 6 times the square root of x to the 6 plus 4. And so the square root of something, I don't know if this is going to help. I worked on it for a bit. It led to a dead end. So this is the part of WebAssign where they ask you to use a calculator to approximate it. So let's scratch this out. This is what we need to use a calculator to approximate. So I use online calculators to do this when it comes up in WebAssign. This is integral-calculator.com. And so we want to integrate from 1 to 6. And, oh, I forgot my pi. Shoot. Here, what do we have to multiply by? Multiply by 2 pi at the end. So here's the integral. We still need to multiply that by 2 pi. So times 2 times pi. So there's our approximate answer, 6.5649 or 6.5650. Well, I wonder what it would be if I used all the digits of pi. Times 2 times pi. Oh, this one doesn't round up, so 6.5649 is our answer to 4 decimal places.